screw there. Well, I did pretty good. Sucked a lot of the chips right out of the planer, through the hose, didn't get plugged. I'd say 90% of the chips went in the barrel here. I did notice that when I tested the suction power at the end of the hose, when I first hooked it up, it didn't have a lot of suction power to my hand. I could cover the end of the hose and it just didn't feel right. It didn't feel like it was really 100%. I got to thinking about it. Well, this barrel is probably supposed to have a seal between the lid and the barrel, some type of rubber seal, something. It didn't come with the barrel, it just came with the lid, the ring, and the barrel. So I happen to have this rubber hose, this clear hose here laying around. I cut it to length almost. I miscalculated by about 3/8 of an inch, but then I slid it right down the middle and just put it on top of the drum. Check out the suction power it has now. So that's some pretty good suction power. Now, if by chance the filter gets plugged or the barrel just fills up to the point this motor can't suck any air through the hose, it's completely full, it has this little port on the back here. It's spring loaded, so if the filter gets too plugged up or it can't suck air from the bottom, it starts sucking air from the side here. That keeps the motor from burning up and possibly catching on fire. Well, it's going to keep the shop a lot cleaner. I've got a lot of blue pine to mill out for the house. Having all the chips get sucked out of the planer and into this drum, it's going to make life a lot easier in cleanup. Having this lid suck down like that, make that loud noise, it's going to let me know either the drum's full or the filter's plugged. Keep me from burning up this motor. The one thing that rubber seal did is it made the lid really hard to get off, so I think I'm going to have to work on the flange to the lid a little bit, loosen it up, so I can get this lid off of here without a pry bar. I hope you liked the video, guys. If you feel like supporting the channel, we've got Patreon and subscribe to our links in the description. We've also got an Amazon affiliate link in the description. Click on that link, do your shopping. Won't cost you a penny, but it gets us a slim percentage for being the ones that send you there. Until next time, go make something.